Wallahi, the ummah needs us, needs every one of us. We are together tonight. Islam has given importance to togetherness. It has given importance to groups, gatherings, getting together as one ummah. It's called jama'ah, a group of whom? Of Muslims, people who gather. Jumu'ah, what is it? It's the day of gathering. The day when everybody comes together. What do you gather for? You gather for prayer. You gather in order to listen to a talk known as a khutbah that will wake you up, that will give you guidance, that will address some of your fears and concerns and some of the issues that are affecting you as an ummah. That's what the Jumu'ah is all about. And if you don't attend the Jumu'ah, can you really call yourself a Muslim? Can you really call yourself a Muslim when you are not bothered about the Jumu'ah? Let's make an effort, inshallah. We will attend it properly, regularly, arrive on time, and even before the time. And inshallah, we ask Allah to reward us. So that getting together is very important. This evening we have gotten together 15,000 or more of us. And Allah Almighty alone knows the conditions of the hearts of each one of us. All of you have issues and problems and difficulties and hardships that you will cry to Allah for, because He made you in a way that you have hardships in your life. Not a single one of us can say, I have absolutely no hardship, no difficulty, nothing to call to Allah for. But each one of us, our difficulties are unique to our own lives. I have issues, my problems, my hardships, my difficulties. Allah alone knows them. I know some of them. I may not know even all of them. Allah knows them. But I ask Allah to help me overcome whatever hardship it is, and to help all of you in your unique lives, whatever it may be that is bothering you, whatever concerns, anxieties, struggles, whatever you have, may Allah Almighty make it easy for you.